Hi everyone, here's a bit of a tip for you. I've just finished one painting and I have one nice clean palette here I cleaned off. On my central area of my palette here I have a lot of colour left over, which I don't really want to use for the next one, but I don't want to waste either. So what I'm going to do is take a board. I've already prepared that with gesso. It's just an MDF board. I'm going to use up the leftover paint on here to create a new painting surface. All my leftover paint, I'm just dipping my brush in it and swishing it around on the new surface there. I don't really care what the colours are that's left. I'm not trying to make anything that's going to be a particular pattern or in any way guide me for the next painting at this stage. I'm just covering it with the leftover paint. What that does is it will start to texturise, add a little bit of texture to that board, and it will give me something so that when I start painting another little painting at some point in the future, it's not just a blank white looking at me. It's already pre-toned with a neutral sort of mix off the palette there. I keep if I buy a cheap frame, like a photo frame or whatever, I keep all the MDF out of the back and just then chop them up into whatever size I want to make little boards for painting small paintings on. And you know, it's not a disaster if I don't like the colour later on because it's such a small board, but it has primed a board for me. I can always paint over it again later if I want to, but that will probably be a nice neutral colour to start another painting with.